Hi, so today I'm going to introduce myself. My name is Shana Marie Y. Lomboy, or you can call me Shana for short. I was born on June 22, 1997, and I am currently 23 years old. I come from a family of four. My father, Alejo, is an overseas Filipino worker, and my mother, Marites, is a retired government employee. My only brother is named Sean Marius, and he is currently a grade 12 senior high school student enrolled in Ateneo de Zamboanga University with science, technology, engineering, and mathematics as his strand. In my fifth year in this world, my mom gave birth to my little sister, but unfortunately, God loves her so much that He wanted to keep her. I graduated elementary and high school from Claret School of Zamboanga City. I finished my college degree from Ateneo de Zamboanga University with a Bachelor in Science in Accountancy last 2019. I was supposed to take the Certified Public Accountant Licensure exam last May 2020, but due to circumstances brought by the COVID-19 pandemic, it was cancelled and moved to May 2021. On the sidelines, I am a frustrated pastry chef. I would love to be able to bake my favorite sweets and desserts. I can play musical instruments like the piano, guitar, and ukulele. In the future, I would want to learn how to play the violin. During the quarantine, I have decided to catch up on the things I did not usually do. I realized that I could use the time off as an opportunity to improve myself. I used to be a lazy reader. I did not like reading books. To improve on this matter, I have been reading and put on a goal to finish at least 10 novels by the end of the year. I also spend more time listening to music. Soft, sad, and slow music are the ones I like the most. It makes me calm and mellow. I prefer songs that tell stories within it than ones with just catchy tunes.